Welcome back to Forces Education. This is Ed. Today we're going to be giving another update on Meten, or going with the ticker METX. This video, we're going to give an update towards the due diligence and technical analysis of the stock. So if you have never heard about this stock is Meten, and what it does as main services, it has English teaching or English language teaching or training. Now, it has three leading brands: Meten, which is an adult and junior ELT services; ABC, which is primarily junior ELT services; and Likeshuo, which is an online ELT. Now, they did have a merger before, and now they're called Meten EdtechX, and it's basically a company that merged up, and I did talk about that previously in the last video about the merger itself. But we do actually have new news about this one. So back on October 28th, 2021, 8 a.m., Meten Holding Group announced a strategic partnership with AGM Group Holdings Incorporation for blockchain and cryptocurrency mining business. Of course, why wouldn't they jump into the cryptocurrency and cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology? It's almost a non-mining business where if you have a ticker, slap some cryptocurrencies and blockchain and watch your stock jump. Anyway, going on towards here, this one is talking about AGM agreement with AGM Group Holdings, an integrated technology company focusing on fintech software services and high-performance hardware and computer equipment manufacturing to accelerate the development of Meten's blockchain and cryptocurrency mining business. Pursuant to the agreement, both parties agreed to primarily cooperate on the research and development of blockchain applications and the establishment of supply chain for cryptocurrency mining businesses. The agreement contains an initial order of AGMH's cryptocurrency mining machines for Meten and an option for Meten to purchase additional machines later. Mr. Jason Zhao, the co-founder and executive director of Meten, commented, "We're thrilled to be working with AGMH, a company with excellent design and production capabilities for sophisticated and high-performance chipsets and equipment. AGMH, through its strategic partnership with HiSharp Electronics Technology Company Limited, has upgraded its research and R&D capabilities and built a team of engineers with expertise in blockchains and related technologies. Leveraging AGMH's advanced technology, experienced team, and superior quality miners, we believe that our partnerships will accelerate Meten's development in the field of blockchain and cryptocurrency and further unlock the full potential of our new business initiatives, putting us on the best path to success." Now, on the other parts, when we're trying to look into the recent updates from a presentation perspective, we don't have any recent presentation. The last one is from last year, and news, technically there is a new news, which is the 28th one, but it doesn't reflect on their page. Now, in terms of the technical analysis a little, we'll get to that in a second, but first we got fundamentals and institutional buyers. So in terms of institutional buyers, what we do get to see is on the 26th was the last edition for the stock, and it was on the Fidelity Nasdaq Composite Index, but other than that, we don't see anything since then. In terms of the short interest ratio, this one shows 0.01 days to cover, with more than half of the total volume going towards the short selling side. There's around 9.1 million short shares availability at a very small short borrow fee rate of 5.5%. And this stock shows that majority of the volume, or half the volume, is actually going on towards the short selling side, and the other half is going towards the long side. Now, in terms of the E-Trade here, we're seeing a short interest as a percentage of float to be only 5%, but the price over sales is highly undervalued at 0.53. Before we move on towards technical analysis, make sure if you enjoy this video to subscribe and leave notifications on for this channel to watch a bit more of these videos. Also, don't forget to drop a like to this video if you've enjoyed this video. In the description below, we do have a Discord link if you're interested to join the free Discord, and you can chat with us. Now, SEC filings, we do have one. I believe this was 17 hours ago, and it really wasn't talking about anything in particular, but major operations in general and management analysis of operations and everything in between: pricing, impacts, revenues in general, in terms of 2020, 2021 comparison and how they're beating that of last last year already. You're able to see the percentages as well in terms of increases and that kind of a thing. And you're able to see some of their net losses, net incomes for the 6 months ending June 30th, 2021. And out of a quick skimp out of this one, we're able to see a nice increase, or a nice increase in profits in general, meaning lower net losses between 2021 and 2020. So that's a good thing. You're able to see here in comparisons between RMBs. We're looking at last year, 195 million loss RMBs to right now 170 million loss in 2021, ending 6 months 2021. So let's move on now towards technical analysis. In terms of technical analysis, what we're actually seeing here that is happening is the stock itself is starting to build momentum. The EdtechX is hitting very close to 20, suggesting the start of a trend, and that's a bullish thing. Moving averages are actually reversing towards the bullish side. Another really good thing that we're seeing, and the William percent R is suggesting that this one is currently very close towards the overbought. This is very similar to the relative strength index results, and it really shows more buyers than sellers. And we're seeing on the MACD a really nice push in the histogram today, suggesting that this is actually a strong momentum push. It's an uptrend and it's likely to continue going forward. Momentum, we're seeing it's another bullish day at a 0.29. It's a positive value, and that's an amazing thing. In terms of the stochastic fast and stochastic slow, everything here is pinpointing upwards, really suggesting an uptrend for this one. We're seeing this happening here, and we can anticipate another leg up for this one. Moving averages, we're able to see in the bands, they're currently going almost parabolic. It's an uptrend, and that's a good thing. And the Bollinger Bands are also expanding, suggesting a continuation on this bullish trend. Volumes are actually also picking up. You're able to see even the unbalanced volume is at a record at this point. And volumes are back up increasing. So that's definitely a bullish sign that we're keeping an eye on. It's a good thing that we're seeing. Fibonacci retracements for just the last few months, we're able to see a resistance currently hitting at the 66 cents. Then after that, 75 cents, 88 cents, and 104. Supports are 46 cents and 28 cents. But if we were to go ahead with just price line actions, we're able to see a critical thing happen today. Currently, the support is mainly at 61 cents. Below there, the 60 cents or 61, yep, and then 58, going downwards to 55, and then downwards to 52, downwards to 50, and all the way down to 44 cents and 39 cents. Resistances, there is a few. So for instance, the one at the 63 cents, and then above there, 69, above there, 74, 81, 84, and then 88, and then going all the way to 96, and then $1, and then up to there, $1.03. Comes to the question to Ed, what do you think is happening here? Now, it really broke a major resistance today, jumped up above the 60 cents, and made that a really strong support. I do not anticipate this stock to drop below the 60 cents in the near future. And really, we shaked up a lot of these resistances, and the next major resistance that I see or anticipate this one to have problem in would probably be either the 85 cents or the $1 or 95 cents, around there. But the aim here for the stock, for the retail investors and just investors in general, is to get it above $1 to meet the NASDAQ compliance and not have to go through a reverse split. I did talk about this a video or two ago about this topic. Now, I do think that we're going to experience high volatility. We might very likely as well experience a massive push. What do you think is going to happen here? Make sure to mention down in the comments below. Share, subscribe, and like, and have a wonderful day. Now, if you're still here on this video, make sure to drop down below and join our Discord. We have a lot of different things going on, including, for instance, members that gives picks for free. It's not pump and dumps, we just things we think about, swings, etc. We also have really exciting bots. You can actually use those ones. For instance, we're just testing out this bot, for instance, that gives you Fibonacci resistance points, activities, etc. And we have a bunch of free things, totally free. We run on tips here, and you can ask me questions, suggest stocks, etc. It's a really nice community that has been growing up very fast at a very good rate, and it's totally free. If you would like to join that one, feel free to do so in the description below, and have a wonderful day.